Well, hello and welcome to the Edwardian era.
Some of our friends have a few words for you, straight from beautifully restored old photographs. Let's hear what they have to say. Well, hello, my name is Mary and I live in 1904. Tell me, what is it like living in your time?
Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm John, back again at the North Shields police station. Maybe it's time I gave up this crime lark and tried something else.
Good day to you. How very kind of you to visit 1907. My name is Miss Chapman. Tell me, do people still walk in the park after Sunday luncheon?
Hello there, my name is Robert Andrews. Have you heard of this new contraption called the telephone? You speak into a box and someone replies from miles away. Quite remarkable.
On the trolleybus this morning, two young boys were talking about flying machines, said one had crossed the channel. Honestly, they'll be claiming we can fly to the moon next.
Well, hello there. My name is Miss Gibson, and this handsome boy is Thomas. Say hello, Thomas.
My name is Miss Bishop. We've just had a thing called a wireless fitted. Imagine hearing voices through the air.
Good day to you, I'm Cartrite. We've just had electric lighting installed. No more gas lamps flickering in the hall. What marvellous technology.
Well, hello there. My name is Miss Jones, and I live in 1906. Today, I went to a moving picture house with my friend. Do you have moving pictures where you are?
Oh dear. If you think everyone will have these motorized carriages, your future self probably thinks AI will replace all the jobs. How utterly ridiculous.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, add a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.